In this video, I'm gonna talk about 3 paying gigs to start your freelancing career as a videographer. Coming right up. Sure, what is up guys? Welcome to my channel. I am Martin Tabanag, helping you guys with tips and tricks through videos, photos, business, and travel. If you guys are new to this channel, please click that subscribe and notification bell button. Alright, so if you guys are planning to have videography or cinematography or filmmaking as your full-time career and you just want to start out, start and be a freelancer and want to make money out of it, I'm gonna give you some advice and tips to start your freelancing career with this paying gigs and make it as your portfolio as you grow and practice and have those experiences. So yeah, number 1 is birthday shoots. A lot of people right now want their birthdays to be filmed, to be documented. It is a good chance to start practicing and have a paying gig. Even if it's just a few amounts, it would be 1,000 pesos or a few dollars, you can start by this, birthday shoots. Good birthday shoot is a children's birthday, especially when this kid just turned 1 year old. Then those parents really want to document that. If you have a relative, a cousin, a really close friend who has a kid just turned 1 year old, then you can tell them, if you want, I can take a video for your son or daughter's birthday, and just give me a few bucks. With this shoot, you can practice and grow as a videographer or filmmaker, and also put this in your portfolio, your website or page, so anyone can see it and know what you do. So I have to move here because someone's drilling in front. Another good birthday shoot is an 18th birthday, especially to girls or debutants, something. Especially here in the Philippines, the booths, people spend a lot just celebrate their 18th birthday, and it is just like a wedding. They prepare these huge gowns, these huge parties, themed parties. You can look at it as like a wedding event and practice making your videos as if it's a wedding. Another good birthday shoot is when old people are turning into 70, 60 or 80. That is a really good event to document, because not people reach this age. So if you have a grandma or your grandma's friend or anyone who is turning to that age, you can approach them and tell them, hey, you have this upcoming birthday and I just want to film it for a few bucks. Let me know if you want to do it. Alright, I think you can still hear that drilling over there. But on to our next paying gig that will start your freelancing career as a videographer is event shoots. So event shoots are great because if you want to shoot corporate events that is really high paying, well, you can start and practice with the small events. For example, some cosplay events. There's also skateboarding events, some concert events, some small concert. Then you can contact them and tell them you want to make highlight videos, and then that's good practice. If you want to start making music videos, that's a good practice. Going to concerts, some small concerts. Another good event shoots are business openings, launching events, and business anniversary. Yeah, and honestly, I get a lot of these gigs, and I still do these event shoots if it's small business or a huge business, because it is still a good portfolio. Because you need to always film, find your style, upgrade your style, and grow as a filmmaker. Last paying gig, to start up your freelancing career as a videographer, cool reunions or alumni homecomings or graduates or whatever about school, because it is always there. There will always be school, there will always be alumni, there will always be reunions. And I know you got parents, you got aunts, you got a lot of relatives out there, or someone you just know, and basically they held reunions especially when they are, you know, old and they want to meet each other, want to, you know, celebrate their, just have fun getting to meet each other, and you can document them with a really good paying gig, you know, to start your freelancing if you just start. Because honestly, my first ever paying gig was with a college reunion from my auntie, and from that, you know, I grew as a filmmaker and as a videographer. And one really good news about these high school reunions is that if you did a really great job, you know, these alumni will be your next potential client. So do a good job about those reunions, and they will refer to you and or get you as for the next event that they have. If they have children or a wedding or whatever event, then cha-ching. So that is it, guys. It is really bad timing because someone is actually working right over there. That's why it's noisy. But anyways, so yeah, those 3 paying gigs will help you start up your freelancing career as a videographer. It will help your portfolio, it will also help you pay your bills, and also invest more equipments, good equipments, you know. I hope this video helps you, and I hope it will encourage you to start your freelancing career. And I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, leave some comments below, let me know what you guys think, and I hope to see you guys on the next tutorial video. So yeah, show your voice.